Welcome to this video. We'll explore the folder features in Quick Receipt software. Quick Receipt offers a convenient way to create and manage folders, allowing you to keep your documents organized and easily accessible. By default, Quick Receipt provides a folder called Document. However, you have the flexibility to create additional folders to further organize your documents. To access folder management, go to the Settings menu and select Folder Management. This section gives you complete control over your folders, enabling you to add, edit, or remove them. To create a new folder, simply click on the Add icon. This will prompt a dialog box, where you can choose an icon color for the folder from a range of 5 options. Selecting a distinct icon color enhances visual clarity and makes it easier to identify specific folders at a glance. Next, provide a descriptive name that reflects the type of documents you intend to store. For example, you can create folders based on document types, or organize your documents chronologically by creating folders for different years or months. Quick Receipt also offers the option to restrict certain types of documents from being stored in specific folders. This feature ensures that only relevant documents are stored within their designated folders. After setting up the folder, simply click the Save button, and your new folder will be created. You can set a password or archive a folder by editing the folder. If you have a folder that is no longer in use, you can easily archive it, hiding it from the Tools box. Quick Receipt allows you to set a password for a folder. This ensures that only individuals with password can access the folder and its contents. Managing the order of your folders is simple. You can use the arrow buttons to adjust a folder's position, moving it up or down to reorder them according to your preference. Once you return to the main screen, you'll find your folders neatly organized in the Tools box on the left. Simply click on a folder icon to switch between different folders, providing easy access to your categorized documents. When you've selected the desired folder, you can create new documents within it. If you ever need to move a document from one folder to another, simply select the document and drag it to the desired folder. And that's how you create and manage folders in Quick Receipt. By utilizing these features, you can keep your documents organized, secure, and easily accessible. Thank you for watching this tutorial.